Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the ignition coil or the ignition coil pack on a 2005 Dodge Neon SXT. This is the 2.0 liter Chrysler engine. So let's get started. First thing you're always going to want to do is go ahead and disconnect the battery, since we're going to be tampering here with some of the electric. So let's go ahead and get that unhooked, and then we'll be right back. With the battery now disconnected, next thing we're going to want to do is remove the spark plug cables, or the ignition cables as they're also known as. You want to be very gentle as you remove them so you don't damage the connectors. So let's go ahead and take those off, and then after that we're going to then remove the connection plug that goes into the ignition coil. To remove the power plug going into the ignition coil, there's a little red clip that you need to pull out. Make sure that that's out, and then you just push down on this button right here and just gently slide that out. You don't want to damage this either, so just kind of work it slow. There we go, slides right off. Put that off to the side. To remove the coil pack, you have four 10mm bolts holding those in, so we'll go ahead and use a 10mm socket, a ratchet. Go ahead and take those off, and then we can then remove this whole piece and swap it out. With the four bolts removed, we can go ahead and remove the ignition coil. Take that off. And then here's basically where it mounts right here. There's your the four holes where it bolts back in to put the new one in. And then this here is right on top of the valve cover. So let's go ahead now and we'll put the new one on. And basically you're going to follow the same procedures. We'll put it on, put the bolts back in, and then reconnect the your input plug and then your spark plug wires. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Everything has been reconnected, the battery's reconnected, everything is all set back up and put back in, basically just following the same way that we took it off. Let's go ahead and give it a start and see how it works. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up, make sure everything works good. Here we go. Beautiful, everything's running great, engine fired right up. Just to give a little recap, normally if you're having issues with your car starting, maybe misfires, sluggish, things like that, some of the things to check are your spark plug wires, the ignition coil as we just replaced. Those are some of the common problems, as well as other things that we won't get into right now. But I hope this video helped you out. Please send any comments, any questions, and as always, please like, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.